In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to increase your phone's battery life and how to fast charge your phone. So as always, without any further ado, let's get started.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
First, let me tell you a fact. After 600 charge cycles, your phone's battery life will degrade by 20%. But what does a charge cycle mean? So when you charge your phone from 0 to 100, then that is one charge cycle. So like this, after 600 charge cycles, your phone's battery life will degrade by 20%. So point number 1, don't charge your phone all the way to 100%. I'll give you guys an example. So when you eat a lot, what happens to you? You feel exhausted, you're not able to move, basically you don't feel well, right? That same thing happens with the battery when you charge it completely. When you charge your phone till 100%, your battery becomes weak and degrades its quality. So never take your battery to extreme high levels or extreme low levels like 10 to 15%, because this thing can harm your battery. So when your battery reaches around 20 or 25%, put it on charge and remove it after it reaches 80, 85 or maximum 90%. Point number 2 is use dark wallpapers. Now if your phone has an AMOLED display, then try keeping dark wallpapers. Because in AMOLED display, it only lights up the pixel which is showing color, and if that pixel is black, the lights are off. Hence, no battery consumption. Also, I have seen that a lot of people use adaptive brightness. They know that adaptive brightness is one of those things which consumes your battery a lot. Now, how adaptive brightness works is basically there is a sensor which senses how dark or bright your environment is and accordingly sets your brightness. So try sticking to manual brightness if you want a long battery life. Coming up next is point number 3, and that is avoid fast charging. I know this video is about how to fast charge your phone, but fast charging also harms your battery a little bit in the long term. But first you have to know that the biggest enemy to your battery which seriously damages it is heat. And when you fast charge your phone's battery, more energy is being entered into the phone, and that leads to heat. Also, fast charging finishes up your charge cycles a lot faster. But some people still love fast charging. So here are a few OP tips to fast charge your phone. So the first tip to fast charge your phone is turn on airplane mode. So when airplane mode is turned on, it shuts down your SIM. So no calling, Wi-Fi off, data off, and all the other network signals will be shut down. So the signals coming from the tower to your phone will be stopped for some time, and that means less load will be on your battery while it's charging. So try this trick out because it will seriously fast charge your phone. Next tip is keep your phone in cool places. Keep your phone in cool places doesn't mean you can keep it inside your fridge. Keep it somewhere where the temperature is nice and moderate. I've seen a few people who charge their phone inside their kitchen where the temperature is really high, or charge it on top of some machine which is really hot. Please don't do that. Keep it somewhere where the temperature is nice and moderate. But please, don't keep it inside the fridge.
Okay.
The third tip is switch off your phone and charge. A classic old and useful trick. I'm sure you guys must have done this. I myself have tried this when I have to do something important or if I need to charge my phone really fast. And I think I don't need to explain why it charges a lot quicker when it's switched off. I'm sure you guys already know the answer to that. Now it's time for the bonus tip. Whoever left the video, it's their loss. But if you're still watching, here's the ultimate tip for you. First, you need to enable developer options. And to do that, you have to open your phone setting and go into about phone. And then go inside baseband and kernel and then continuously keep tapping on the build number. After that, the developer options will be enabled. Then go inside developer options and keep scrolling down. And there you will find select USB configuration. Open that and you will see a lot of options. In that, tap on charging. Then put your phone on charge and see the difference. So that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do and what to do to the channel. You guys know that too. But comment down below if any of these tricks worked. But I'll see you guys next time. Until then,
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.